Have you ever wondered what happened in the very first family on earth? Long, long ago, when the world was still young and new, Prophet Adam and his wife Hawa had two sons. Their names were Habil and Qabil. Habil was a kind and gentle shepherd. Every day he would take care of his sheep, making sure they had fresh grass to eat and cool water to drink. He loved his animals and treated them with kindness. Qabil was a farmer who grew crops. He planted seeds in the rich soil and watched them grow into tall plants with fruits and grains. He worked hard in his fields under the warm sun. One day both brothers wanted to show their gratitude to Allah. They each decided to make an offering, a special gift to show their thanks. Habil chose his best, healthiest sheep, the one he loved most. Even though it was hard to give away his favorite, he wanted to offer the very best he had. Qabil, however, chose some leftover crops that weren't very good. He didn't put much thought or love into his offering. He kept the best crops for himself. When the time came, Allah accepted Habil's offering because it came from a pure and sincere heart. But Qabil's offering was not accepted because his heart wasn't in the right place. This made Qabil very angry and jealous. Instead of thinking about why his offering wasn't accepted, he blamed his brother. His jealousy grew and grew like a dark cloud in his heart. Habil tried to talk to his brother with kindness. He said, "Allah accepts from those who are sincere and good-hearted." But Qabil wouldn't listen. His jealousy had taken over, and he made a terrible choice that hurt his brother. This story teaches us important lessons, dear friends. First, when we give something, we should give our best with a happy and sincere heart. Second, we should never let jealousy control us. And most importantly, we should always choose kindness over anger.